Come.
And where's my bag? Where's my bag? So that's how we shoot. Good morning guys, this is Alisha and welcome to this vlog. And today I have to shoot a fashion video and the shoot location is quite at a distance from my place, and I don't know why I am a bit nervous, and this happens every time whenever I've had to shoot a fashion video, since a lot of things goes behind a fashion shoot. Your expression, your makeup, and changing a lot more times, so that's quite a hectic process. So I thought, why not vlog this entire day and let you guys know how we exactly shoot and what all other things that goes behind the scenes. And I have to take shower, I have to get ready, and also breakfast, and if I'll be hungry then I won't be able to perform well. So let's move into the vlog. So I'm having my breakfast right now, and it's like a chotu sa bowl of some carrots and papita, and I've added black salt as well. And you know what, it's Sunday today and I'm chilling here simply since it's Sunday, and otherwise if it would have been other day then I would have been running here and there with my earphones on and getting tortured on online classes. And yeah, I'm going to shoot a fashion video related to wedding, and by the time I'll upload this vlog, most probably fashion video ja chuka hoga. That is what I have planned as of now, but then again things never goes as per plan, so let's see ye pehle jata hai ya wo pehle jata hai. So we are getting late and it's my makeup time right now, and what I have planned that I'll do my base makeup, क्योंकि location पे makeup करना before shooting थोड़ा hectic हो जाएगा. Then I'll just do my base hair, तो वहाँ पे directly जाके आप lipstick switch कर सकते हो depending on the outfit. So I'll just quickly finish this makeup and I'll see you guys directly there. So finally we are at the destination, and now I think I should start my shoot क्योंकि बहुत time लगने वाला है. A quick room tour first. This is the area जहाँ पे सारे eatables and things हैं, जैसे you know coffee, green tea, which I don't think I need. The only thing I need here is this beautiful area and the changing room. That's it. And यहाँ पे bed है. This area for you know keeping things and stuff, the drawers, and yeah. And my favorite thing, other than washroom and this area, the only thing I needed was this, क्योंकि मुझे बहुत सारी mirror selfie लेनी है. Although I suck at it, but I'll try. Yeah, and I think I should start now क्योंकि हो गया room tour. So it's for the second time that I'm going to change, and changing process ना fashion shoot में बहुत ज़्यादा hectic हो जाता है, since you have to put in all the accessories, makeup, change again, and the outfit, footwear, all of it. But बहुत मज़ा भी आता है, and I'm really enjoying this shoot, and बहुत chill हो रहा है. And yes, I think my skin is doing good, yeah. Or it is light. It is because of the light, I think. So it's my second look, all white look, and although my jewelries are missing, I'm going to put it there. And yeah, this is Siddharth, I think you all know, and yeah, we're twinning, yay! And for this look, I was thinking that something was missing, and then I applied kajal, and I think अब ये ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है, satin लग रहा है. लेकिन पता नहीं मेरे हाथ में बहुत ज़्यादा पानी आ रहा है, and itching हो रहा है. I think I should stop using it for now. यार ये खुल नहीं रहा. कितना काट है यार टोटल? शायद खुला. हाँ, yes, we got it. Third look. That pink one, okay. ये या फिर साड़ी. I think I should do साड़ी वाला look पहले क्योंकि वो थोड़ा सा hectic हो जाता है. Then we'll try this one. चलो, pack up for this. I don't know how I'm gonna clear out this mess. Nonetheless, I have to. Where's my bag? Where's my bag? Where's my bag? Where's my bag? Oh God. So that's how we shoot. And it's really, fortunate कि इतना mess के बाद भी वीडियो इतना प्यारा सा turn out हो जाता है. All thanks to this boy right there, Siddharth Anand Films. Yes. क्योंकि सच में मेरे को हैंडल करना is all mess and he's doing it really well. So this is how I wear a sari, blouse and this leggings. मेरे लाइफ में petticoat का कोई concept नहीं है. This is my only petticoat for every sari. And yeah, सच में बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Please, I think I should ask my mom to do so as well. साड़ी किधर गई साड़ी? अब ये पहनना है. और अकेले पहनना है. That is another job. So I'm going to wear this black strappy heel. बहुत ज़्यादा heel तो नहीं है इसमें, लेकिन ठीक है, it does the work really well. And for this look, I am wearing my mom's साड़ी and ये साड़ी truly speaking मेरी मम्मी की शादी के टाइम की है, तो बहुत ज़्यादा पुरानी है. I'm really scared कि कहीं ये फट ना जाए क्योंकि obviously मेरी मम्मी की बहुत सारी memories attached है. And I'm such a mess कि मेरे से ऐसा हो सकता है. मैंने साड़ी बहुत tight भी पहनी है, तो it's really tough to sit down and stand and sit down for the shoot. So and shit happened. साड़ी फट गई. मुझे लग रहा था चर टाइप सा आवाज आया था फटने का. एंड पता नहीं क्या करूँ, घर जाऊँ या इधर ही से भाग जाऊँ क्योंकि पिटाई होने वाली है, गंदी पिटाई होने वाली है. I am too exhausted and I think I should take like a nap of half an hour, then we'll restart it. And I remember days when we started our channel and उस समय most of the fashion videos are from streets and बहुत ज़्यादा enjoy भी करती थी, but that was extremely exhausting. And उस समय लगता था कि जब थोड़ी सी famous हो जाऊँगी, when I'll start out shooting in some hotels or maybe good places, तो उतना ज़्यादा problem नहीं होगा, पर ऐसा नहीं है. Both of the things are equally exhausting. लेकिन ये होता है कि बाहर अगर आप स्ट्रीट पे शूट करते हो तो the other factor is the weather and धूप actually sucks while shooting. So अभी ये थोड़ा सा आराम है, लेकिन else otherwise I'm so tired. I'm going to sleep now. Ta-da! So this is my last outfit and this is my Diwali outfit, and I think I made a dedicated video on this. And I'm super excited. We are almost at the pack up and yeah, it was a fun shoot. So this is my lipstick and ये पूरा खुलने के बाद भी बाहर नहीं आ रहा क्योंकि ये ख़त्म हो गया है. This is my new nuance from Maybelline and I wanted to show this just because I want to prove that all YouTubers are not rich. Some are poor. मैं हूँ गरीब YouTuber. And my shoot is over. This is after shoot happiness and बहुत मज़ा आया, बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आया. And finally you people got to know how we actually shoot and इतना polished video, इतना glamorous video कैसे turn out होता है. There was a lot behind the videos. So yeah, I'm going to leave now and I'm going to dress back to the normal jeans top, the Alisha wala ka kapda, and then I'll go. And if you enjoyed this vlog, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down what more you all want to see on my channel. And yeah, follow me on Instagram. My Insta handle is _Alisha180_, and please subscribe. I love you guys. Ta-da!